Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after Bitcoin broke out, it's consolidating as was not able to break 30,000. We will see what is the reason that this consolidation is going on after the breakout, but we see a few altcoins are pumping well. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, AI, Web3 gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of internet, which is crypto. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. And also I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, as we see, Bitcoin and Ethereum is almost plus minus zero, so not too much happening, consolidation going on. Few altcoins correcting like ApeCoin, XRD, Compound, FX is, but others are rallying. So Avalanche broke out, Solana broke out, Rollbit is pumping like a hell. A new burn function has been implemented on chain. Trust Wallet coin is pumping, and Render, our favorite AI and Web3 related coin, is pumping. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 50, so we are in the neutral zone, and at least we left the fear zone, and now investors getting a little bit better sentiment. So 3 reasons why Bitcoin is struggling to rally about 28,500. But about 28,500, that would be a huge short squeeze, because a lot of shorts has their stop losses there. Macroeconomic forecast exert downward pressure on Bitcoin price. So there is some things that going on, and yes, so they are thinking that the economy will going down, and the monetary policy has the impact that the economy can maybe just going into recession. So okay, also there is a fear that the treasury bills yields are going up, and also there is a fear that the Fed will raise interest rates. Bitcoin trading metrics show diminished activity for leverage longs. So we see that Bitcoin 2 months futures annualized premium, there is some premium, and there is some, as a result, BTC futures contract should typically trade at 5 to 10% annualized premium, a situation known as contango, which is not unique to crypto markets. And monthly futures typically trade at a slight premium to spot markets, indicating the sellers are asking for more money to delay settlements. So if the premium is higher, then we have more sellers, and it's lower, then we have more long positions. So the BTC futures premium continues to trade below the 5% neutral threshold, remaining in the neutral to bearish range. This indicates lack of demand for leverage long positions. So above 5, there is a lack for leverage long. Spot trading activity on traditional exchanges has declined to levels not seen since late 2020, signifying a reduced participation by institutional investors. Bitcoin daily spot trading, this is really low as in 2020, but this is a good sign that actually all sellers are gone. Okay. Investors' expectation for a spot BTC ETF drops. So one of the factors supporting Bitcoin's 68% gains in 2023 is the anticipation of approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF. I don't think so, because Bitcoin rallied almost doubled this year, and then corrected a little bit, but there was no ETF on the horizon that time. And also conversion of the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF into a Bitcoin spot is going on, and there is discount. Okay, so these are not so real reasons, but maybe. Next, but huge news that Bitcoin bull market awaits as US faces bear steepener, according to Arthur Hayes. Arthur Hayes is a former founder and CEO of BitMEX, and now he has a huge hedge fund, and also Bitcoin is witnessing 16-year high in 30 years US government bond yields, and money printing is all but guaranteed, says BitMEX CEO. Bitcoin bulls should eye US no way out moment. US Treasury yields are screaming higher, and with that, Hayes believes that a macroeconomic flashpoint is only a matter of time. The reason comes in the form of a so-called bear steepener. Okay, long-term interest rates rising more quickly than short-term ones. Why do I love these markets right now when yields are screaming higher? Bank models have no concept of a bear steepener occurring, so banks can collapse. So given the current steep rise in the 2S 30S curve, the difference between the 30 years and the 2 years yields, combined with the rising long and short-term interest rates, the pressure across the economy is rising. Due to the leverage on linear risk embedded in banks' portfolios, they will be selling bonds of paying fixed on IRS, and rates rise. More selling begets more selling, which is the bueno for bond prices. Okay. The results should be clear: a return to mass liquidity injection, counteracting the quantitative tightening seen since late 2021, which has pressured crypto markets. Okay. He concludes, the faster this bear steepener rises, the faster someone goes belly up, the faster everyone recognizes there is no way out other than money printing to save government bond markets. The faster we get back to the crypto bull market. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So as this is rising, this is indicating. Continuing the discussion, that would be the major catalyst for the Bitcoin bull market and the treasury yields. Okay, so treasury yields, this is the Bitcoin price, and this is the 3-year treasury yields and 30-year treasury yields. And as they are rising, Bitcoin cannot go up. But when they are declining, and now they are closer to the top than closer to the bottom, then Bitcoin price could surge. Cool. US debt sees its own October. Okay, total US debt just rose 27.5 billion US dollar in one day, the same amount at last month's total borrowing. Oh guys, this is huge. So more debt. In a single day, the US added more than half of Bitcoin's entire market cap in debt. That's something like 10 million BTC, and yet there are still people that are unsure if 27,000 US is a good price to buy. Yes, I think it's a good price to buy. Everything below 27,000 or even 20,000. Bitcoin still beating US dollar versus inflation according to this Fed data. Bitcoin versus US dollar inflation has gone nowhere. The price fluctuation quite a bit. Bitcoin between 2000 the satoshis, which is much more than it did for the US dollar price. Plus, you would need to add a Bitcoin transaction fee, which has been about $2 lately, but which can spike about $50 on occasion. Hopefully, if you were making this purchase with Bitcoin, you would put many more eggs in your basket. So inflation, that how much Bitcoin can you buy for $1 US, and just you can buy some satoshis. The charts include nonetheless show since reaching a peak in both currencies in December, the number of satoshis required to purchase the same dozen X has decreased more than equivalent in US dollar. So these are okay, average price X. So how much X can you buy, or with the US dollar or with the satoshi? Okay, not too much. X, okay. Cost per dozen. Coinbase Bitcoin, okay. Recession loom large, and yes, so this is not so relevant news. Cool. Next, new book reveals Binance CEO CZ rejected SBF 40 million request for future exchanges. So Going in Finance reveals that CZ and SBF had different goals when the first collaborative business opportunity arose in 2019, and there is a book that will be written about this. CZ reportedly declined to pay 40 million to former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried for a future crypto exchange in March 2019, according to an expert from Michael Lewis' book Going Infinite: The Rise and Fall of a New Tycoon. In crypto, price swings can be fast and significant, which could leave exchanges with bad debts due to the lack of collateral. However, FTX wanted to create a future exchanges that would monitor the traders' activity, and soon as the trade surmounted the collateral, would liquidate the user positions, thus limiting any potential losses to the exchange. If it works billions of dollars, but I thought there was a better than 50% chance it wouldn't work. I would never done marketing, I would never talked to the media, I would never had customers. It was just different from anything that I have ever done before. Cool. Next piece of news is Binance CEO predicts what? That Bitcoin would reach 10 million US dollars. So crypto YouTuber, yes, predicted that Bitcoin would, CZ predicted that Bitcoin would reach 10 million. GV of Crypto News Alerts analyzed various aspects of the Bitcoin market development. CZ made the 10 million Bitcoin prediction in 2021 following MicroStrategy's Bitcoin allocation strategy. Okay, cool. What else do we have here? El Salvador first Bitcoin mining pool as Volcano Energy partners with Luxor. Bitcoin has the potential to pay off its climate debt much sooner than solar energy, and thanks to its ability to mitigate methane, it can address more urgent challenges. So Volcano Energy is tapping into Luxor's experience in providing Bitcoin mining software and services. The project will also use Luxor's hash rate forward marketplace to mitigate market volatility through automated risk management. Our vision is to create a vertical integrated energy and Bitcoin mining company whose value is attractive to investors and Salvadorian citizens. So guys, I like this, and let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLWestDentler on Twitter. Also be sure you are following at Corion platform and at laserpunk_gods, our upcoming NFT launchpad projects. So BlackRock director says SEC will approve Bitcoin ETF in 3 to 6 months. Guys, this is huge. Let's share this. And okay, cool. Give a like and share all this news. And let's see if this ex-BlackRock director says okay. So let's see. No. Schoenfield gave his estimate during a panel discussion on ETFs at CCD Data's Digital Assets Summit in London yesterday, where he was joined by another ex-BlackRock director, Martin Rednall, now CEO of Jacobi Asset Manager. Schoenfield was responding to comments made earlier by Bendal that the SEC will probably approve all ETF applications at the same time. I don't think they want to give anybody first mover advantage. Okay. So before they gave that 9 to 12 months before an approval, but the SEC's recent decision to delay giving verdicts on several pending ETFs applications is unlikely. Previous delaying tactics by the regulator. Instead of completely rejecting the whole list, they have asked for comments, which is a marginal but significant improvement in the dialogue, says Schoenfield. So guys, okay, this will be huge if these ETFs will be approved. US now has a pro-Bitcoin House Speaker, the third most powerful position in the US government. I think Tom Early, or what's the name? So Elon Musk is issued by the SEC. So check this. Is Bitcoin a bear or bull market? There are some views. BTC S&P ratio tells us that we are in a bull market. We are only the very beginning of a monster move higher in the risk assets, according to his. Before the bull market is over and done, bears will have become bullish, and blew off top. Bitcoin in 2020 versus 2023 from Stock Money Lizards. Follow this pattern as long as we don't get another black swan event. A retest of the lower trend line seems unrealistic. So that was retested in 2020, and now we have a similar pattern, but maybe we will not retest this. Bitcoin and psychology of crypto and cycles. Guys, this is really huge. Check out this tweet. This was shared by the Scalping Crypto. So now we are here. I will buy lower, it's a bull trap. Then it's still below all-time high. I am stupid, I will buy on the next pullback. What the fuck, it's going higher. Panic buys are here. Thank you God, I bought, pump it. I am a bull now. A little bit late. Just a small correction. It's consolidating before the pump. What the fuck, crypto is a scam. Panic says, thank you God, I sold, pump, dump it. I'm a bear now. I will buy lower. It's a bull trap, and it's repeating and it's repeating. So guys, this is how human psychology and emotions are holding back most of the Bitcoin and crypto investors to make money. But if you acting indirectly, then you can make huge amount of money. Setting a massive bear trap. Bitcoin is setting a massive bear trap. In 2021, before the price dropped to 58,000, 15,500, it formed an interesting pattern. Breakdown below weekly EMA ribbon. Retest of EMA ribbons, that was a retest. Fake out above the EMA ribbons, that was the fake out, and massive downtrend. And now we have the similar but the inverse of this. No sign change on the trend. The story since July, markets down, yields down, dollar up, and the DXY is going nuts. Warning, bank credit is officially contracting. This has only happened during the financial crisis. Buckle up, so this is not good. Fear is high but temporarily, and price-wise selling exhaustion is near, according to Bernishke. Okay. Fear is high but temporarily, price-wise selling exhaustion is near, in my opinion. Sure, BTC could go to low 20,000, Ethereum to 1,000, most everything long tail can hit new lows, but if we look back on Q4 2023, Q1 2024, it will be clear it was a good time to be a buyer. Perfect doom and gloom. Rising yields cause more debt in a vicious circle. Great explanation. Perfect doom and gloom. The debt crisis is going mainstream, US leading the way. So this is a great tweet from Stackhodler. Currency devaluations typically occur abruptly during debt crisis. History repeats. We are watching a sovereign debt crisis unfold. And there are two ways out: massive dollar devaluation or mass defaults. Nobody wants zero yield, hard assets that can't be seized or debased, until everyone wants zero yield hard assets that can't be seized or debased. Bitcoin was created to protect for this moment. The debt crisis is going mainstream. Bitcoin is the ark for the coming fiat flood, or the solid shelter for the coming deflationary earthquake. Expect BlackRock and Fidelity to run with this narrative the moment of a spot BTC Ethereum gets approved. Finite supply, zero counterparty risk, two attributes that will soon be very highly valued. Slowly at first, then at all once. Reserve currencies versus gold. So as the next two charts shows, the devaluation typically occur fairly abruptly during debt crises that are separated by longer periods of prosperity and stability. So Dutch empires and collapse of a Bank of Amsterdam, and Netherlands dollar was collapsed, and British pounds collapses, and now we are here with the USA, and also the depreciation of the US dollar compared to gold. Quite interesting. Definitely look into it. RLB buys and burns are now entire on chain. Last week 1.4 million RMB was burnt, so this is great news. That is why RLB is pumping. Bitcoin drives crypto inflows for the first time in 6 weeks, according to this report. So guys, this is great, and let's go check out what the Bitcoin price is doing. So today is Friday. Last week we broke out, and we are consolidating here. I see an ascending symmetrical. I see a symmetrical triangle here, and this consolidation could break out every time, and then it would bring Bitcoin to 29,000 from here. So guys, yes, we can break out today, and also just going up to this level during the weekend, but maybe it will happen in next week, or it's a possibility that will be no breakout. So what else do we have? So guys, let's go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, and lock up your LPs and earn a juicy APRs on our farm. You can earn up to 54% and in CorionX BNB pair. So this is how you can grab more CorionX and use it on our farm. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.